Hi there, welcome to English for Everyone. My name's Lisa.
And my name's Kevin.
Today we're going to teach you the difference between don't bother me and don't bother.
Let's get started. So, what's the difference between don't bother me and don't bother? Well, they're very different. First, let's look at don't bother me. Bother is a verb. We use it in present. For example, it bothers me. Don't do that. It bothers me. We can use other actions, like annoy. You can say, it annoys me. Or irritate. You can say, it irritates me. You can also say bug. That's right, you can say, it bugs me. Don't do that. It bugs me. In these examples, they're all exactly the same. But if I say don't, we have to use bother. It's the most common way to say it. Don't bother me.
Hey Kevin, do you have a second? I need to talk to you about something.
Don't bother me right now. I'm really busy. I need to finish this today. Now let's look at don't bother. Don't bother is very different. It's a different situation. Don't bother means don't worry about it. Don't bother. Don't worry about it. Don't make an effort to do it because it's not worth doing. The benefit you will receive from doing it is not worth the effort. So don't bother. Don't worry about it. Don't do it. Let's look at a situation. My car has a small problem, but it'll be very expensive to fix. And I'm going to sell the car in 6 months anyway. What do you think? What should I do?
Don't bother. Don't worry about it. Just drive it and then sell it like it is.
Okay. You can also use don't bother to express anger. If you ask someone for a favor, if you ask someone to do something for you and they give you excuses or they complain, it makes you angry. So you say, don't bother. I'll do it myself. Let's practice with a situation.
Can you wash the dishes, please?
Do I have to? I always wash the dishes. I need to do my homework right now.
Don't bother. I'll do it myself.
So remember, don't bother me and don't bother are very different.
Thank you for watching.
And if you like this video, click the link in the description and check out our other channel where you can find other videos just like this one. Thanks for watching.